Hello guys, welcome back to a new video on profit and loss. So profit and loss lecture 2, lecture 1, we have clearly given you a crystal clear introduction on profit and loss where we have mentioned the basic formulas and the most important formulas to solve any type of profit and loss questions. So without further ado, let's quickly get into the video. And before it, hi, this is Harismita Rajkumar. So today we'll be seeing the basic questions because since it is lecture 2, after the introduction part, we'll be starting with the basics, then we can go to we can increase the level and we can go to the next questions. Yes, so let's quickly get into the video. Now, 100 oranges are bought at the rate of 350 rupees and sold at a rate of 48 per dozen. So your 100 oranges CP, cost price of 100 oranges is 350 rupees, right? So it is 350 rupees. Now if you do, what is cost of CP, cost price of one orange? In order to find cost price of one orange, which is nothing but 350 by 100, which is nothing but rupees 3.50, which is 3 rupees 50 paise. Okay. Now, sold rate, which is selling price. So, 48 per dozen. In one dozen, there will be 12 oranges. So, dozen means, I hope you understood it. Dozen means, yeah. Yes, dozen means, it has 12 oranges. Okay. So, for for 12 oranges, SP is nothing but rupees 48. Now, for SP of one orange, what is SP of one orange? Which is rupees 48 by 12, which is nothing but rupees 4. Okay. Now, they are asking the percentage of profit or loss. Okay. What is my percentage? Definitely, now if you check it, what is my cost price of one orange? It is 3.5 rupees. What is my selling price of one orange? Which is 4. My selling price is greater than cost price. If my selling price is greater than cost price, what I told you, it is a profit. Okay, so it is a profit, right? Now I have to find profit percentage. What is profit percentage? SP minus CP by CP into 100. So this is my profit percentage, which if I further do, which is 4 minus 3.5 by 3.5 into 100. So which is nothing but 0.5 by 3.5 into 100. So which will be, if I further ado, if I cancel these, this will be 1s are and this will be 7s are. So this will be 100 by 7 percentage, which is 14.2 by 7 percentage. So 14.2 by 7 percentage is your right answer. So 14, I already told you in previous video, gain or profit both are same. So 14.2 by 7 percentage gain is your right answer. Now let's go to the next question. I told you it's a basic question, so it'll be easy for you. Vishal buys an old bike for rupees 4,500. So what is the cost price of it? Cost price of the bike will be rupees 4,500. Okay. Now, sorry, 700. 700. Now, spends rupees 800 on its repair. So what he spends, he spends rupees 800. Okay. So plus 800 I have to put because repair also you have to take under consideration. So my total for this will be rupees 5,500. This is my cost price because I'm buying it, I am keeping it and I'm selling it. Now selling price will be rupees 5,800. Rupees 5,800 is my selling price. Now they have given the gain itself. which means it is a profit. They gave it is a gain. Okay, so what is gain percentage? Gain percentage or profit percentage, same formula, SP minus CP by CP into 100. Okay, so which is nothing but 5,800 minus 5,500 by 5,500 into 100. I have clearly mentioned you in the previous thing itself why I am using by CP instead of using some other thing. So if I further do, if I do it, it will be 300 by 5,500 into 100, which is 5 by 11 percentage. So 5 by 11 percentage is your right answer. So this is your right answer. I hope you understood it. Now let's go to the next question. Next question, see, a trader mixes 26 percentage. A trader mixes what? 26 kg of rice at rupees 20 per kg. Okay, he mixes 26 kg at rupees 20 per kg and with 30 kg of rice of other variety at 36 per kg. Okay, now he sells it. Okay, now let us see a total number. So he's having 26 kg and 30 kg. So CP of 26 plus 30 is nothing but 26 plus 30, which is nothing but 56. CP of 56 kg I have to find first. So what is the cost price of 56 kg? For 26 kg, he sold at 20 rupees. Okay. Then for 30 kg, he sold at 36 rupees. Okay. Now if I further, I'll do, it'll be rupees 1,600 is my cost price of 56 kg. Now, he sells means selling price, sells the mixture at 30 per kg. So selling price of the mixture itself, 56 kg itself is per kg 30 rupees. So 30 into 56 because 56 kgs, right? Now if I further do, if I do it, so this will be 1,000, just 80 rupees more than the selling price. Than the thing. Now what is the profit? Profit percentage is basically SP minus CP, which is nothing but 80. How I got 80? Because 1,800 minus 1,600. Okay, that's how I got 80 divided by 1,600 into 100 percentage. So which I'll be finally getting it as 5 percentage is my answer. So what is my answer? My answer is 5 percentage. Okay, I hope you understood it. Now let's go to the next question. So next question is nothing but, here Balu sold a scooter at a price of rupees 1,500. So 10,500. So selling price is given is rupees 10,500. And what is the gain percentage? At a gain percentage of, so profit percentage is nothing but 5 percentage. Okay. Now what is the CP? CP is asked. So same formula. Profit percentage is selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100, right? We have derived a formula where P percentage by 100 will be selling price by cost price minus 1 because CP by CP. Okay, I'm splitting the numerator. Okay, now selling price by cost price is equal to P percentage by 100 plus 1. Okay. I hope you understood it because I'm deriving the formula again. I've already given this formula as such. So I have to find cost price now. So my selling price is 10,500 is equal to 5 by 100 plus 1. So if I further do 10,500 by CP is equal to 10,005 plus 100. So I can reciprocate it. So CP by 10,500 is equal to 100 by 105. So I'm taking this to the other side. So CP is equal to 100 into 105 by 105. So this will be there. So basically I have got it for rupees 10,000. So rupees 10,000 we have got, he has got the scooter. Now I hope this is really simple. So this will be a last question. So do it on your own and just comment below. This is very easy. They have given you the selling price, loss percentage is asked, cost price. Okay, watch my introduction video for finding the formula for it. Just substitution is only left because SP is given, loss percentage is given, CP you have to find. Whereas in previous thing, in profit percentage was given, selling price was given, cost price was asked. So it is really simple. Comment below the answer and let's meet in another video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.